What's up and welcome back to the garage. Today we have many small things to do. First we have to do some weight reduction for the Peugeot for the drag race, and then we got some package from the post. We will open those boxes, and then we have to measure some brake pads and some other things. So we have many small things to do. I need only the driver's seat in the drag race, so I can get the second front seat off. It should be quite easy thing to do, only few bolts to take off. The back seat should be also quite easy to take off. As you saw, we already managed to take the front seat off. It was actually very easy, and here is also only few nuts and bolts, so this should be also a quick job. Well, at least we got some room and free space inside the Peugeot. I actually don't know how much was the weight reduction because I don't have the scale, but I estimate that we got off something like 20 or 30 kilos because we got those rear seats off, and we got the second front seat off, and the spare tire is also off. So I don't know how much we got it off, but I hope this will help us to achieve the 16.9 seconds. My goal is little under 17, so we shall see on Saturday how it will go. And the second job of today is to unbox those. The bigger one is from Scandix and the smaller one is from Autodoc. These boxes, there should be repair kits for the Volvo's brakes. So these packages from Scandics. Here should be the rear brake pistons, yes, looks right. There's the piston and there's the rest of the repair kit, and this should be same. Oh yeah, here you can see the pistons much better. The old pistons were like this, so it's time to change those. So this should be okay. And these are from Scandics, and actually I had to order the front brake repair kit from the Autodoc, because in Scandics they didn't have any. So, or it was much expensive, actually I don't remember, but this should be also okay. This should be the front brake caliper repair kit. Looks right. And there's the second one. Oh yes. Yeah, now I should be fine. So now I should have the parts I needed to repair the Volvo's brakes. So I finally got this job also, I hope, done. The threads are gone. So I just need longer bolts so I can put it through, and then I put a nut on the other side, so then it should be okay. So I just need a little longer bolt and a nut. So I think this is something like 6 millimeters, I think. Yeah, about. And I need, the length is something like 6.5 or 6. I will buy a bunch of bolts and nuts, so I just needed the rough measurement of that bolt, so it should be okay. And we need also new brake pads for the Saab, or these are actually from Porsche 914 brakes, and as you can see, this one of the brake pads is totally worn off. This is how it should look like, about. I actually found a pair, so I can do the test drive with these 4 pads, but these rods, or can I call it rod, one is already missing, and this is quite bent, so we need some repair kit also for these. So we need a new rods and new pads, but with these I can do the test drive. Now I just have to measure what kind of pads these are, because there's quite many choices. I noticed, so we can get the right one. So I will put the camera now away, because it's a little bit difficult to measure those pads with only one hand. So the job is done. Measure should be ready for the next weekend. So there will be a street drag race in Malmi Airport in Helsinki, and I will be there with this car. Okay, I know I will be the slowest one, but it doesn't matter. My goal is to get under 17 seconds, so the goal is 16.9 seconds. I googled that this car should go like 17.2 seconds, but now we have done some weight reduction. I hope we can get 16.9, so that's the goal. So I will be there on Saturday. If you are in that neighborhood, come and say hello. That would be nice. The next video I try to edit it on Sunday, so you should see the latest news from the drag race on Sunday. So see you soon.